time to build. We're gonna fix up this old tandem bike. This bike used to belong to our great-grandparents.
So we're gonna fix it up for my mom for Christmas.
We're not gonna restore the bike, we're just gonna fix it so it works.
Maybe these seats need to go.
And these tires too.
And maybe even these grips.
One thing we're gonna keep for sure is this old sticker from my great-grandpa's business. It's Dayline Sales. So Mom, hope you enjoy your present.
Merry Christmas. A lot of these bolts have to be replaced, but first we gotta get them off.
We gotta take this big nut off to get the handlebars off.
We've already removed the bolts, so we just have to take the guard off and take out the tires. There's some broken and missing spokes. We'll get those fixed at a bike shop.
Next is the back tire. We've already taken the chain out, so now just take the tire out. As you can see, this tire is done. So we're taking it into the bike shop to get it fixed or repaired. To take this front chain off, we have to loosen the tension. And voila, the chain's off. We got down to the frame and it's in really good shape.